Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and right now it's a morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. So on these videos, it starts from my mom's dream house, although we haven't raised up the walls, but you can see, guys. So I just wake up right now guys, around 10 minutes ago. So it's 7:08 a.m. That's my local time in Africa. So in case maybe you made these videos, it could be night, daytime, midnight. You know, sometimes it depends time duration. In Africa here right now, it's 7:08 a.m. But in other places, it's too late, it's too night. Mostly in America, UK, Jamaica, Caribbean, sometime we are ahead. We are around 7 hours ahead, you know, in maybe US, UK, and at the same time, there is some continent we share duration of time. So anyway, guys, apart from that, right now, that's how my mom's house looks like. And yesterday, when I came from the hospital, seeing my sister for the checkup of the tooth, and she was being removing by the dentist one tooth. So right now she was, recovering, taking, tablets for curing the pain. So anyway, guys, may I thank God for everything. For this far, it's not my power, it's by God's grace, by God's power. And I want to say thank you so much, all subscribers who supporting me by watching my videos. And you support me in other way. May God bless you. So right now here on today's vlog, it could be screening on top of these stones, and then sideway, so anytime from now you're gonna see people arrived here, mostly for the handmen, because the work that remaining here is for the 2 mason, 2 handman, and then by the time being you'll see the work for today. So my brother,
yeah,
how are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, guys. Good evening, good afternoon, according to the time you're watching this video from. My name is Samuel Muita. Actually, today is on Wednesday, and it's on a long holiday of December. I am out of exam. I finish it on Monday, and right now I am outside here. I'm helping Yellow Baby to do 1, 2, 3 because of our mama dream house, guys.
And I think also you, maybe right now, I think my sister, she could sleep with my mom on master bedroom. I think you have that room for meanwhile,
Yeah.
So, and also here, this one I will lock for the visitors. Any visitors who come to my home, the room is for free. So today, keep pushing these blocks from here. I don't want to mislead them by those soil. Take them out, arrange them. This machine cut, because it's more expensive. It's around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take 8. Where is 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's around 7. Push them out, because I don't want to, waste anything here. I use money to buy those machine cuts. So, hey, even 10 have been arrived here. Yeah, push them. Yeah. So when you put here, we're remaining with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guys, that is it. And you see the way these stones have been staying here. People, hit on them and then it's crack. I don't know, guys, how people treat me. When they take, they put like poo. Yeah, bring them here. Because guys, one track of this machine cut it goes to 500 USD. So when it's staying here alongside the road, most of the time we operating on the other side, and people passing here, they knock on top. You see, like many blocks that I think was cracking was around 2 on this group here because of the offloading. But this one here is just okay. Me since day one, I know how my things they are. But I understand the situation of people, you know. Sometimes other people in my village didn't feel good, the way I do some things, say for my mom. And me, I don't care about them. So right now, let me take them and push the house. Mani pa hage, muita. So I'm still waiting mostly I'm waiting the handman and also some fundis. When I'm saying fundis, I mean mason. Sometimes it's good to learn Swahili. When you came to Kenya, you said, oh, hello, maybe you say fundis. Maybe when you visit people's construction, we said, where is fundis? Yeah, fundis is Swahili words, means mason. And handman, it's known as wasaidizi, or another way, watu mkono, wasaidizi is helper, like handman. Yeah. We have already finished?
I have remained with one.
Yeah. May I think I've been finished? I ask, where is one block? Yeah, put it there. No problem, it will work. They will work. Maybe you push this like that. Put there. Yeah. So yesterday I talk because we have a lot of people here, most of the handman, and other group disappoint me, and I go hard on them, like standing while they're working. Me, sometimes I don't like when people are working. We give them job. Me, I stay away. But when I came back home, it's around morning, around 10 a.m. in the morning. When I was going to border town, make some shopping for them, like for lunchtime. Imagine I found two people carrying small stone on that staff, which my brother holding, and I feel so disappointed. I stand. The stones is on other side until when they finish up pushing them here, and I give them like 5 minutes to relax, and then I take them there until when they finish up. I told them, because yesterday's work, we have three mason here. They arrange stones. They finish early. I told them, you must, you must levelize the house. If you remember, there have been small hill on this room, each and every room. But right now, guys, you see. Yeah, for this far, I'd say thank you. Thank you so much. I know it's not easy. And for those people who did construction, building construction, you can, testified how foundation hectic it is. Sometimes when you see the foundation like this, hey man, I feel like I could run out of the construction, but I stand strong, and I wept my mom's tears from poverty. Look, from this situation to this situation, and let me see, I don't want to say like you are too much poverty. Like, I'm trying to change the narrative. I'm trying to change the environment, and I even from this house so big, man. Actually, we didn't put the front porch. When you put them, it's reach until I think here, and then here, right here. We have staircase. So this house, for meanwhile, we'll start building another maybe rental house here, going down around 3 rooms, but not that much expensive, the cheaper one. So at least my brother could have room apart from here. Also my brother who's studying in universities have the room, and also I'll put an extra also visitors room if maybe my friend visited me around in my village here. I said, bro or sister, have, you know, your space. Yeah, things like that. But right now I put my mindset here, and when we are raising up the house, me automatically I'm thinking about how it gets iron sheet and roofing, you know. And that stall 3 that you see there, the owner sold for me 30 USD. But I'm thinking on that. I see it's more expensive. If I could giving him around 20, like 20 USD, it's enough, you know. But because of their price, I left them. And I also remember, it's my history. This place, it's not could be the way they are, you know. We cut trees for my brother. We remove the logs. You see them right there. We have a huge logs right here. So this one, it could be here. And we split the timbers. We store in our store. And maybe I will buy around some, let me say, 500 feet, you know. Not 500, 5,000 feet, because I have 1,500 feet in my house, you know. Like, guys, you keep praying for me and wish me more success, all the best. We shall win, you know. And this video, it's my evidence. When you chip in on my videos, you click, you find good videos, and the way I demolish this house step by step, it's on these videos, on this camera right now. Anyway, I don't want to go longer. Let me wait those people and I'll show you guys, you know. So smash that like and also subscribe, comment, and share. So don't skip ads also at the same time. That's the best way you can support your boy Hello Baby Official. Anyway, I love you guys. Let's meet on the next vlog right now. As you see, the cows are grazing there, and I see one handman have been arrived. Actually, for those that I was working with them for the long time, you know. Guys, comment. These trees only 3,000 Kenyan shillings. Oh, oh, wagwan. Mzato kana mani pamborocha mangana kaena mabovu.
Okay, taika.
Amefika hapa amerudi.
Ukora kivono hii.
Yeah.
Ngekole uvo.
Amucheki.
I don't know what you
Without you, work is not going on. Hey, mcheki umuone. So let me go closer, guys. You see this trees? How big it is? Maybe let me touch, guys. See? A little bit bigger. But I think if it could be 2,000, maybe some 2,000 Kenyan shillings, it could be okay. Because even me, it's need me to look the guy with power, so we split per feet. I pay him. We'll find maybe I'll buy these trees around, you know, 10,000 plus because of the labor. We split. Oh my God, the timbers. But if it could be around maybe 2,000 Kenyan shillings, and I talk with that guy, they split timbers, it could be much better. Or I bought them, I buy them, they stay there until when I build another maybe rental house, we cut them. But anyway, I don't want to go talk much on that, so let me wait them. I've been going to call another guy from my family member. He reach and then go back, you know. So let me check this guy. They have been arrived, you know. What Mwita? Ukasema kwamba hivi tu utoe. Sichi mambo. Hata hizi mambo nataka. Zifungwe na waya vizuri. Ziwekwe sehemu. Baada hata kwenye msingi wa ukuta. Uliona vile tulisumbuka hizo mambo. Juu nikiacha hapa watabeba kuni. Sasa kama hii bana ikung'olewa. Hata taruya sasi.
This mambo.
This mambo. Sikia kuseti msingi zitahitajika kweli.
Sasa unaona hii nambari.
Kwa. Mora. Musensi. Haina shida.
Kana maroma to kumakanga na kasa.
Mkoroge. Sasa si mngesomba mkoroge hata hapo nje ya gate. Ngeleta koleo ufanye usafi nyulisema. Kazi ni yenu tata, mtakula pole pole. Sahii mtakulia maziwa. Mavera maranyera marurani. I told them today lunchtime it could be fermented milk and ugali. Even I don't know when I have drink fermented milk. Mani pa hii ya ukujaza. Ulikula njaro. Ulisema eti imekuwa usiku sijui nini ona. Sasa kama karango kararu hara 5:30. Bado uone nila tujaza. 5:30. Jana. Hapo na moja nusu. Today, I see today there's no disturbing team here. No, ilikuwa nanyenyekea. Hey guys, I'm telling you my mom's bedroom so big. Mbona inalingana na sitting room, ama mimi ndo sioni. Lakini ile ni kubwa kidogo. Hiyo ni ya wageni. They will have a room there. My people from Jamaica, big up. And guys, sometime, you know, help me from Kenya to send prayers to Jamaica. You know what happened. Like, I think Heritage Misk, things like that, you know. And they are being affected, you know. Like, if you want to support Jamaica, guys, for sure support them, you know. Even on my last videos, I pinned the link there. You can click, go to the website, support them, guys. Yeah. These things are looking shagalabaga. Anyway, right now, we are taking some cement from here for the screening. It's too dark. See the guy right there. Anyoka police but imagine guys. Nangu chimba ototore. Kumbe zinge kama mpaka mokanje kasareke.
Aya, urigeni.
That's the reason why I don't want to buy, you know, cement. I store in my house, staying for the long time. You see right now, if could stay up to January next year, I'll find myself everything have been spoiled. But it's not like that much, you know. A lot of bags. I think 10 bags. It's 20 bro. That's the man. Sasa zimebaki 4 hapo. Ziko 10. Meenda na 6.
The remaining is 4.
Yeah, the remaining is 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Right now mama shows, you know, cooking porridge here. With a jiko, more than jiko. No. Okay. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. And right now 2 is coming. I'm telling you, rather than I bought cement, I left in the hardware. When I'm going to pick from the hardware, it's a new stock. But the hardware has expired. So and then from that, the remaining work is to measure the sand. I think 3 wheelbarrow, 1 bag of cement, because we are doing screeding, the concrete one screeding. Yeah, manipa. Yoko hardware tichiko sareka.
Hapo siku na joto. Hapo kuna winter.
Baridi.
Kuna jua.
Yeah, the good thing I have my own wheelbarrow, spade, you know. The other one was cool with Koyo tent. Told them to carry spade. Let's go. Or you want to put the oil on a tire of a wheelbarrow? Yes, to make work easier, you know. Yeah, man. Mchanga mtachukua ile side nyingine. Mwachana na ukono huni mbaya wa direct. You know, there is a guy blackmail me 2 truck. This one and this one for the sand. But nothing happened bad, you know. As long as I'm alive and I cancel the business. His business. You know. See guys, the good thing I have my own wheelbarrow, you know. So kimani pa wachu kenoiga ukisugure buya kumbe simiti inaweza fanya wheelbarrow ioze. Ndio maana zinakatika. Takina maliza vizuri, naosha vizuri, natunza kwa store. I have my own spade. Yeah. Izeke. Kwanza afadhali hii kuna wheelbarrow zingine za matairi kubwa.
Siku mbili tu na
sasa mwitu ukasema tupeleke vichomerewe ile mguu hakuna. Ile mguu imetoka.
hii mguu ndio imezea.
Achana na mguu, hizo supporters. You must take them to the welding. When you have free time.
Kazi ngumu. No
pressure. Maybe when I'm adding maybe one wheelbarrow and some two spade, because I don't want to go in my neighbor say, hey, give me wheelbarrow. And you know there is one day I went to one of my neighbor, I asked the wheelbarrow. They hide inside the house and there's no wheelbarrow. Somebody took it and I see the wheelbarrow in the house. I thought, okay, now I have my own wheelbarrow. Me, I'm free-hearted. If one maybe want to have a wheelbarrow in my village, like most of this wheelbarrow, they've been helping people in my village, like collecting sand, pushing this and that. You know, these things it's meant for the world, man. It's not mine. You know. Hiya. They're cleaning up the field and then measuring the sand. Shukuru. Did you know? Tacho mzee ubora kimosense ngo. Umosense muone. Mchanga kuna type nyingi, kuna smooth, rough. Leta rough. Tambe mama ngo. Kaka mkono mbao nukumuona ko. Morafu kumuona. No. That's my mason there. Go. Yoni ya barabara ni matope.
Matope sasa ndio mchanga inashika.
Ona walinishikisha gari mbili.
Kono kubaga otero ogerera. Sasa kono muya bokongono.
Uri hata ko yumo sasa mbuya kore hata ko ora mbuya.
Mago sasa kono akonge
ande ko no mbuya.
Walinishikisha.
Screening mbuya no ko maki goro hano hapa.
Kono heko ainda nyoko takore kasi sasa.
Mimi sijui sasa.
Kama utaki uniambie nifuate na gari ipeleke penye na.
Utanilipa.
Kwa moyo wako chote hii.
Nguvu kutu wako kole.
Kama mbe gongero wangu.
Yeah.
Nguvu kutu.
Acha mchangi kai hapo siri jenga kisima. Nikitaka kujenga highway ya kwenda kwa choo nitatumia michanga. Hakuna kitu imeharibika.
Kwa hivyo sasa mbona
sasa mchanga hii mchanga itafanya kazi kama ni hivyo. Unaona wakati wa kujenga tunachukua hii tunachanganya na hii. Inajenga.
Hata saa hii.
Kwanza hii
changanye.
Kwanza hii ndio inashika sasa kushika.
Muichanganye kwanza ndio.
Sasa muwe bokongo mura. Muwe bokongo
mzuri kweli. Mzuri kweli.
Haya, mtatoa nusu.
Muchanganya.
Lakini wakati nitakuwa
unajua Richard uona kama vile umenyesha hivi anaona ni mbaya.
Akafikiri ni mora.
Lakini haoni ndani.
Akafikiri mora mkweli.
Akafikiri ni mora. Umusasa ko numu yako iko.
Ono ndakora ko.
Yo tu ningono nena ko.
Iko hata huo.
Ndiko nongo ndacha sori bugari bibere.
No.
Ateri choha.
Unyori kamsere ko bono. Now is to mesh.
Hey. Nduti ya na nyambo uri ogesohi.
Yeah.
Tunahayo kesari.
Kono muye ko plasta kia Mungu.
Ona hata tarumu. Ona tarumu plasta. Bon, megena kene mesara kena keno heti twisti.
Gara haro.
Okay.
Mara tabimo mosense ko ora toko toka gotere ko. Nitere mchanga.
Na huu?
Watachanganya.
Sino nimewambia sawalete maybe 8 huko ine watoe hapo.
Wanaweka the same ratio. 6.
Tata kichore furu. Duration ni 3-1.
Hey. Mterewa ni bako.
Simu sema kuweka juu mneka 3-1.
Oh, iko sawa hata 4 mara.
Yeah.
Hata ni zote lakini unajua yakiende. Tegemea pia no.
So guys, right now they've been measuring some 12 wheelbarrows and then we put 4 bags of cement, which means 3:1. No.
No me kondo Pago respondo. Duko musai.
Ukipera kile baki ngapi? Esa kama turusine har. Tatora kioven. So that's another sand. I'll take 3 of them. Você. Tutorial ko uche pies ko tu chogan. Tutorial kon. Over screening Engineer said atakuja amua. Ati vinto bemera ko. Musens uchege ngombe nchi yanko levere ni chimonyo.
Nimesabisa bila kuongeza. Anyamba musense ngisaka kwa. Unogesa kara kerukira mbimu kama muku. Ngisaba mako.
Let's go. Me, I'm showing you guys the reality, you know.
Ada tatu.
Yes, sudah tu count. Semater kuminat. Hah? Sekiman gede kemu. So guys, now they're putting cement and then mixing. We create a mortar, and the mason have been waiting, you know. Ununua viatu gani?
Crocs.
Guys, the man that I was giving him, he bought some shoes. I'm happy for him. I think I give you money and then you go, you enjoy in a crazy way. Yeah, it's good you think. When you get money, buy shoes. When you get money, buy clothes.
Not sambusa.
Yeah. Not like going for the gambling.
When I get money, I go to drink alcohol.
You drink alcohol. It's your own version.
It's not version, but it's stress. This life must be.
Sukuma hiyo wheelbarrow, pelekee Mwita huko abebe maji.
Drink one bottle of the beer. The mind comes together.
So I think my brother, because he have already finished exam, so he'll fetch water, bring here. Yeah man. Hata kwa hivyo Mwita hana kazi, ataweka madumu mawili hapa, mtenkiwa hata hamanja. Mnayapata hapa. If you said every work is money. They're mixing, you know, a mortar. When I said mortar, is the mixture of sand and cement. Mbona sema kuna madumu matatu? Idumu lina rangi kema. Ni mengi kama ni kama si mengi tautahe ulilete hano usomberi chole watumie. Sasa kipungua ni kuongeza tu dumu mbili. Teba ichuri.
Maana maji ya kumwagilia.
Si akibaki tayari hapo.
Maji ya kumwagilia ni gani? Umegasa komera tofauti, ni gani mtahomera.
Paganga mingi kaze uwezi. Raga. Wewe kuna kuro kwa migongo ya watu. Mani pao saa 12.
Uni.
Okay, let's go. We discussed that off camera. You know, because he said, guys, there's nothing like to hide. He said, when I raise up the house, they will wake up early in the morning, curing. What about my brother? They're supposed to do that work.
Brother, there's cows there.
No, early in the morning, curing, fetching water.
That's my work.
We shall wake up in the morning, me and my brother.
Your brother.
And I think I'm supposed to buy 1 drum, because to have around 2 drums in the morning when we fetch them, when it's full, the rest duration of time is to top up, you know. I have water, man. Even you know. So like buying water, I cancel that budget.
Budget of water.
Piga kabisa.
You need mask.
Mask? Maybe from another time. On Friday.
On Friday?
Yeah. Leo hapa matanga Westcott.
Baadaye.
Weka pale ndani. Ndani hano. Maana mwita. Wewe mweke hapo. Mata ha, uraleta romera. Hai.
Ata igombu juu atatorana.
Okay, you put there. Mata Richard. Wek hapo. Uchama genu rusi hands. There is some speed ritual. Ma, tawasa bata antiri dume ka bata to. Orete maraine. Karash. Hey, see 4 times 3 is 12 and then you fill that drum. Aya. Bom. Tamo querido. Tamo querido. Tamo querido. Oh, hey, Joe. I told my God. So this is what I get sometimes. Yeah? We wanna do screeding outside, on top, hey, on this stones here, not here. Muita, tante bila dia guturi amadumu kama kahabere, mutura ni bemolet. Tama tebe na mobelker. Kambaratora makanam.
Hegare makana kai. Makana to kara ko tambaka ka siri.
Mwaga tu kwenda hapo. Sasa hizi ni yetu mngejenga na udongo. Muita o pembeni leta mugumu.
Ngono no hano gore kono.
Pembeni leta mugumu. Wewe. Kana bonge kwa timara kwa rasero kwa komaro. Hapa mimi nilikuwa naona. Si screeding muipige one touch. Kuchapia mchapie mwendo. Tatu was screeding. Wewe acha madumu rafata mandazi mkule. I'm telling him to run to the market to buy mandazi. So when breakfast starts, they'll have something. I treat you well.
Yeah.
So kazi munichapie. Bonge. Tatema screeding yonje round. Pono hapa pengine. Chwa. Hata kama utakuwa mmechokea sehemu, mtakuja mfano, mtakuja setting wa seti. Siku ile mkiweka manani matofali, mchangi kibaki, mnaweza zunguka mkicha. Nimetoa mfano. Sio ukitana bonge usikie mserereko.
Hata nyomo sasa kwa mtu mchogo ni kunya kwa kama mtu mwa tora nyama anti.
So this is what we call screeding, guys, you know. I'm telling you, see this ratio? Witasa mchanga ni wa screeding. Pike rojo. Sio sana.
Bene keresa. Guche goro taraka tema. Na sumu. Sindo weka basi tumeamua kwamba tunaenda screening wote. Ukue kama huwa ni ukuja hapa.
Sasa yule kuchanganya ndo atachanganya. Tatonya weka maji kidogo ndani.
Ndio sekera kwa kama. Majiwa gani? Kama esa sabana renda. Kwa zangu kweli. Nenge mpira yuko kupanga saa mbili na nusu. Kama hagu kusura pakambia to kama hato Madrid.
Wala bomo ka kamo.
Eh? How much this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Utapia pale. Mama, how do you see the progress? Unaonaje kazi? Now I want to make you to be more proud, you know. Weka uji ukunywe. Sasa kazi kipatikana hapa ni ingine. Utakuna kwa mchanga kwa beseni unavusha. Unaweka huko. Usema madumu karatu ukingiri ta 20 si hapo. Tambo la tirimu. Weka uji ukunywe. Haya. Manga kalikalengi. Okay. Ama acha kitoki kipoa ulete dumu. Nenda mama ko. Tayari dadi. Dadi. Nenda hapo poli hapo penye kuna kuni. Kwa tanki nyuma hivi uone ile madumu yamekatwa. Utakuna kwa mchanga unavusha kwenda huko. Tia mwita basonge mara hata se maranyi kirungure kende. Tatora harage kende. Se hai. Dadi taruta manda speed guys. To mahera dadi ondo ramadumu poli mora. Era tambuki. Wacha uji poe mora. Sasa ndio watu wanaanza kazi hata watu wamebaki hapa. Mwita.
Tiko nne na kani skara. Kani tabu hii. Usara rek.
Mate ikari hano kerawo.
Nyaru siri.
Kuna mandazi hapo utakula baadaye poe.
Kan ngwar mukiri.
Chakula yani kwa kipaumbele. Mako nugusiri. Kuna mchanga huu.
Mchanga iko hapa.
Kirungu litakumi utanyoso kiyosi mani pao. Ni mingi.
Galita kumihekere lita.
Jagi mbili. Kuna kinyero. Because today you are left people I treat you in a good way.
Okay, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, you are pushing. Imagine from there. Chakara. And then when you finish on top, sideways. Chwa. Sasa tangu tuando monora. Ya kireta dumu. Yura motora na mwaga huko. One way. So guys, let me go on the other side to bring one container. Lolo. Yeah. So I want to bring one container because the small buckets of water that have been there, so they're supposed to be used by fetching water, or else I will fall out in trouble with my mama, you know. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's check it out. So we need this container, and I know how we'll do it, because inside here also we have binding, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to make this for, you know, bring the more. Now you see the difference between here and there, and those when they finish up on top here on that stone, they become on this side way, you know. That's what we calling screeding. And yesterday I have my suggestion to do slabbing for entire house, but I see it's more expensive, and it need me to have, you know, 30 bags of cement doing slab down, and I see that I have 30 bags. Let me push the house, you know. Yeah. So let me go another side. That's my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
I think right now she was feeling okay. What's on the wire? Say hello.
Hello.
Memeza dawa.
Eh.
I'm asking my sister, did you take the tablet? Because yesterday I took her to the dentist, removing again, you know, the tooth. Say hello, Indindo. No, his voice was too low. You know, sometimes we have silent killer and all stuff. Oh, they have already finished sand. They have been measuring, you know. Yeah, like only I'm working with 2 handman, and then with some 2 mason here. Look, we are pushing like never before, you know. Pushing. So we're remaining with this part right here, and then we go inside. At the same time we are doing what we call backfilling very well. I use the muram to backfill. And you know what's going on this side here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Eh? Okay. Yeah. Siricha takuonesha. Swingia YouTube search Hello Baby. Hello Baby official. Rich wataipia hapo Hello Baby waone. Njaa bonge na mambo. So at the same time, guys, I think inside the house we have 4 bags of cement. Right here we have 2. So far so good. We have used I think 4 bags. There have been 10, you know, and all stuff. So let's see. Let me go this way. na uroro. Tata piga mpaka top notch. I'm telling him, put son. He's top notch. Mario, fish. I had a veterinary here. Want to treat the car. Dingo mono ira man. They want to inject. Hey. Because the boobs have some problem, guys. You know, we didn't milk. Further down. Aye, bye.
Bye.
No, but chonjo. I'm telling him to be very careful. Anyway, guys, we shall meet on the next vlog. Guys, right here, this is not porridge, this is not tea, and it's a traditional porridge known as Togo in Swahili. For those people who live in Tanzania, you know, colonized by the Germany, this one known as Togo. When we drink this, we add more energy, or we gain more energy. And guys, my suggestion was, I have 2 old iron sheets, and I'm thinking, because we have some small kids entering on that toilet, I'm thinking to fix the door right there, because yesterday I found some kids going inside playing with the sinkers, you know, putting hand inside and then sometimes putting hands on their mouth, you know, things like that, or the fingers on the mouth. I'm trying to figure that because I have iron sheet, I have nails, only frame on leather money. I'll put the mess on there to work. What's up?
Drinking usara.
I'm drinking usala. Hata kere kare.
Hello guys, hapa bado tunaendelea na kazi. Tunafanya screeding. Mchango ulikuwa umepungua kidogo, tukachanganya mwingine.
Kukurange hikire boda ndingire we. Kare. Kare go bye. Tatara ngo temole.
Sehemu imekuwa ngumu, unaona sasa tunaenda.
Temba mosenso atuturi simite ukogota.
Umusanza kuna umuya. Ma. Talente kigane kende.
Arekera hano murasukuma turaje.
Lakini bonge, mimi nilikuwa naonerea Joe Wilibon ndo atakuwa nasomba mkisambazo humo ndani. Si kitu kuchama, mmekupa homa sana.
Hawati kutepia, unajua mdu umeenda.
Sasa na yeye hapo ndani atakueje?
Tabeke romo burata ya.
Bora na harana habara.
Wewe.
Tunachapia msingi.
Hey, this guy needs shortcut. I don't know why, and I pay you money, bro.
You pay him money and he needs.
Bado mzee ha complain.
He loves shortcuts, huh? He loves laughing. Laughing. And you paying him money.
Yeah.
Songi kare kikiro hotoma.
Ngora nchaplo mzingi ngono. Mai hata ngone ga se kunkuri kwe ngona amaroma mazi.
Fanya hivi. Wilibaro moja achika hapa tutakuna gasi. Takoma kuyere mbisiliti.
Umusanza ngoyonguni. Wewe. Umusanza. Talanta kunyusi nchapye tumbake bra hapa.
Ngubusini mbuya mbongo moka ge.
Ukora hana ne kasi umuntu kura abantu bazi.
Hai.
Ehan. Una rutura tana tu tawle do ora kera. Tingula chapie tu ga.
Koleo. Chukua kindoo anakuwekea unaenda mbio.
Tana shida nuku mwikaria bene bado binyumbura gende liko korega.
Aya, choto kirusha tu hapo ndani. Mkapavoni chikoro ivere. Si kindoo kiko hapa.
Kindoo kwa tamba siriku hai.
Ni sawa ikienda pale manipa wataweka kindoo.
Wiribaro tutomera hana.
Sasa mutumire ko muntu mu wiribaro bire.
Wanasema wiribaro unafika hapa.
Bado hii inatosha murarenta muratura moto raya.
Yadusikanyage hapo. Siwe ni mrefu na achilia tu koro inaingia. I'm telling him when they reach there, through to the wheelbarrow. Kuna moja green hapa. Okay. I think harere. So let me try to figure out looking the spade. Jaku mazu. So here I need this spade and I'm holding porridge. Now this is a green spade here. The good thing is I depend with my own properties, you know, like spade, wheelbarrow. Yamu ya kuja kesho kutwa. Kata bero kesho ni mtu mmoja. Sasa wewe Friday dunda. Wagwan man.
Nimekuja kuona site, unajua.
On Friday you just be here.
Kwa Kiingereza sasa.
On Friday be here.
Yeah.
Because today is only 2 people.
Waambie.
Sururu yangu mlipeleka wapi? Imewafanyia kazi.
Sururu yako haukunipa. Ongea kwa Kiingereza. You don't give him. You'll give another.
You on Friday be here because even tomorrow I need one person.
Okay. Tomorrow I'm here.
Yeah. Ochembe atakebeba ngora be different sana. Nengo tevile. Dadu aleta tu.
Sasa
bado back feeding muram tutaeka. Yeah, let's see by Friday because you 3 people, you're the one who demolish house, squeezing the sun to other side.
Yes.
All me soil. And then I need to work for you forever. Any job, you. Because you work from the tough and we are going to Muserereko, to the smooth one. So you need to work. Sometimes when I didn't have money, you understand me and then you work.
yeah.
One with a black shirt, with a white shirt, and the one who working outside there. The joker one. Yeah, ndo mtafanya hii kazi. Hata Risha akisema watu wapunguzwe, nyewe mnajiweka kwenye mahesabu. Yeah. Water here. Sometimes even me I'm working, you know.
Siwe tunakutambua.
I hear that.
Tuna uwepo wako baba.
Need me to pour there. Anko busukane. No, ahare. Go mama like kumsingi. Hey, here tata, here. But I mean, I'm connected.
Hey, you can pour here.
Yeah, Wagwan. Also, me, I'm the part who will pay me. Anyway, guys, me, I'm just joking. Yeah. Him show him how to mix up. That's what I do. Let me show you how you know. Right there. How you go. Do one touch. Don't let it work.
Yeah.
Again, guys, I have no gumboot, but let me show him. Show them.
I'll show him.
You see, guys,
Yeah.
I have no gumboot right now. I found him. He was struggling. Yeah, don't stop.
Yeah.
When you tap,
But
you
of
turn,
course.
you
I
turn
know
my
it.
camera off, man.
I know it.
Hivyo. Dadi tuende. Shike kitu hapo.
Man is man. Yeah, man.
Sasa huyu yeye anatania kuchanganya mchanga.
Hawajui kwamba ngula hiyo kazi yangu.
Mweka.
Ayo kabisa ho. Yani kila kitu kumana.
Wacha huyu manipa, wacha. It's one touch, bro.
Wangu toka sana.
Guys, me, I think I do my part. Look, within 10 minutes, 6 wheelbarrow. Huh? That's my legs. I don't know whether my cement will affect, but let me wash quick and fast. Hey, go that. One touch. I'm sweating like a goat. I'm telling you, man. You know? Hey. Let me wash you guys my legs. You know, look. Let me show you guys.
Hano ngute huko. Hano usembe banje kunga ni sawa. Kanange. Ambe bara antoka.
Lazima. Tena mwadui wako anakuzika. Sasa mbona watu wacha kuhomera hari sana. You see? Concrete cement, look. Kama nata hechuri pa magana ikor.
Hey. Are chihivi.
Guys, that's what we call creating. Daddy, mkia maduma hata pasani pa baba hepa TV mkimoja moja. Taote vinga mbili. You see difference between guys here and here, or here and here. Big difference. So other one, I'm doing outside again. Yeah.
We call it foundation plastering. Yes.
Kote na hapo kote mwana lipa magana.
Magana ka? Kuka libande.
Naka kusini miayo waka lipi.
Kimya tu kulipa
Kama hapo unachapa chapa afu rudi. Sio kama pale.
Hapo huwezi piga mara moja pajae juu hayo ni mawe. Lazima upige rasharasha hivyo sasa ukirudi kupiga kama sehemu kama hii. Mchango unaona unashika. Umeona?
Ona ariko harenge.
Tulirwa to harengere sasa ndinya otora hagacha.
Okay. I see the sky is just fantastic, but from this side here it's behaving. This cloud here. Hard. Hey, do you see? So people need to eat. It's lunch time. Hey, in terms of kitchen. Sisters with plates. Nchini siko hayo hapa. Haya, yafunike. Yeah. I think guys, you know this ugali. Yatana shida. This ugali guys right here. And also fermented milk. Even me, I'm enjoying. Where nenda mama? Even you have school. Maji yamo. You go. Aendo ambia Elisha kuzunguka. Baba tutani kikunike mwana kiveto. Wewe naenda wewe endo kitu nimetuma na mama. Guys, when I'm totally hungry. Like a goat, I need to have something on my stomach. Sahani ni sita mura. Bono mbe sasa wewe. Daddy, yo pasani wewe tuwa kubatuye. Tabari. Usinani anchemba tioki. Utabacha kuikarga newe finyeni. Hata mkienda kwa mtawasaidia kazi. So it's lunch time and yeah. Ugali and fermented milk, you know.
Ahora mahata wako. Bagwane. Ahora muheri yani.
People are enjoying. Simpeleke sukuma. Yamekuwa makali richi mno.
Na mimi unigawia kidogo.
See, people are enjoying here. One power. Kura ushibe mno.
Have my milk.
Your milk. Oh my god. Ugali. That's so not like the guy right there. You know, it's lunch time. Guys, have you ever seen the yellow ugali? I'm showing you. You know, last time I was showing you the white ugali. Right now, this is yellow. Look, yellow. But other ugali are looking like this, white. You know, and then you do like this. You do like this. And then I think another gituba. See, guys.
Guys.
Yellow ugali. Let me know in your country, do you have yellow ugali? Huh? Okay, we are pushing, man, you know. At the same time, we almost finish the work. You know. I think, guys, this is the last lap here, and we finished 10 bags of cement. So actually, this is what we call a day, and I'm planning how to get the polythene paper, the black one. So tomorrow the setting of house, and then on Friday you see the speed here. Only the speed people will survive, or else people will crying here. The boss of the house, Wagwan. Say Wagwan.
Wawan.
Wagwan.
Wawan.
That's my mama. So she was the owner of this house. This is not my property. And I said, let me start from my mom. My time will come, guys. So this far, we are pushing. And guys, not only my mom's house, even one of you when they visited here, we have free accommodation. Instead of going and pay the room, maybe per night, you paid maybe $50, $30. Here, it's meant for free, you know. Hey, mchanga huko. So this is the walkway, like a corridor, going to this room, and I think these are dining, sitting room. Man, hey, now you see. Even right now, guys, I can step here. Look, nothing happened. Hey, wait, Harigani. Guys, for sure, we are pushing. Look, you try to imagine how the house looks like. Let me stand here. Let me stand here, and then you see how the house looks like. Look here, up to you see my mama with the yellow African tank right there, and then from there, when the mwasha koleo, wiribaro ziosho. Mama iridumula ndrapera hapa mmemanzika yomo. Bado kesho utafanya kazi. Daddy, kusanya hizi visipo. I mean this peg, guys, you know, when I'm going to build maybe the wall here, I'll use this one. Kusanya daddy visipo zifungwe. Njoo uanzie hapa. Mtana imetuni. Uliza hivi vile nilisumbuka kutafuta hizo vitu. Watu wanakuja nawe binde. Hapana. No. Daddy, kusanya. Ona ziko hapa, machera tu ndo utaacha. Ibisipo bino byonse. Vifungwa viende huko ndani. You know? So guys, I think I'll end my video, and I'm so grateful to be born and raised in Africa. At the same time, manpower. Umekanyaga hapa na ijakauka. Wewe una viatu rochi. Tena watacha kom. So guys, I'm so grateful to be born and raised in Africa. And right now I'm building Africa brick by brick, you know, step by step. No pressure, no competition. So we shall meet on the next vlog, and let me know what you think about this vlog before we end my video. And if you wish, like, you wanna support Hello Baby, we do anything about construction. I'm just reminding you guys, love is for free, and I'm sending my prayers from Africa to Jamaica. Guys, kindly, at the same time, if you wanna support our Jamaican family, brother and sisters, dad and mom, you know, cousin, nephew, support them, guys, you know, because you know what happened to Jamaica, and it's not easy, you know. You just feel if could were you, or maybe your country affected, and then, you know, support them, guys. And I love you. Let's see on tomorrow's videos, and actually on tomorrow's is the setting of the house on Thursday, and then on Friday is to raise up the house like crazy. Anyway, at this point I'm speechless. I love you guys. Bye.